my dear students, today we are going to solve one more program of our board program file. The question is, you have to create a random number generator that generates random number between 1 and 6 that simulates a dice, and you have to do this program with the help of a function. So children, we know very well, for the random number we make use of a random module. That means we have first import a module random within our program. Import random, and it is cleared in this program that we have to make this program with the help of a function. So we are going to define a function header here like def r dice. Here what we have to do, children? Firstly, we are going to ask from the user that how many iteration they want, how many times they want to generate a number. N is equal to integer input, enter number of iterations. After that, we apply a loop up to n times for I in range n, and we can make use of randint function of random module. And we know very well, we studied earlier that randint function of random module takes two arguments, that is the upper limit and lower limit, and in this both the limits are inclusive. So here we make use of the randint function of random module, and we have to take lower limit as 1 and upper limit as 6 here, and here both the ranges are inclusive here. After that, we are going to print t, and from the main we have to call the function r dice. So in this program, children, number of iteration are given by the user, and this loop iterate to the number of iterations. Okay, so at each iteration the t generate different value between 1 and 6 that will simulates a dice. So when we run the program, we will get the output in such a manner: enter number of iterations. Suppose user enter 4 iterations. So at each iteration, the value of t will be differ. That lies between the range 1 and 6, and 1 and 6 also inclusive in this range. Suppose for at first iteration it generate 2, at second iteration it generate 3, at third iteration it again generate 2, and in fourth iteration it generate 6. So it generates the number randomly. So children, that's all for today. Thank you.